Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to deactivate payment link in Stripe. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you need to navigate to the Stripe website by typing stripe.com into your browser's address bar and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the home section of your account. From here, look for the payment section because this is where you'll manage all your payment transactions and configurations. Inside the payment section, you'll find an option called Payment Links. Click on it to view all the payment links you've created. Now locate the specific payment link you want to deactivate. Once you've identified it, you'll notice 3 dots beside the link. This is the More Options menu. Click on those 3. In the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Deactivate. After clicking Deactivate, Stripe will typically ask you to confirm your decision since deactivating a payment link cannot be undone immediately. Make sure you're ready to proceed and then confirm your choice. Congratulations! You've successfully deactivated a payment link in Stripe. And that's it. So that is how you can deactivate payment link in Stripe. So that's all for this video. Thanks.